I'm going to replace the burners and heat shields in my old grill. Begin by removing the old grates. It's obvious that these grates will need to be restored or replaced. Next, remove the old heat shields by simply lifting them out. This will expose the old burners underneath. As you can see, these burners are in poor shape and have disintegrated over time. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove each burner by prying up the far end and then pulling straight out. Once all the old burners are removed, clean out the residual rust flakes and debris. Then finish cleaning using a shop vac to get the fine particles and dust. I purchased the universal tube burners from my local hardware store. This is how they are assembled. Telescope the burner tubes together in this manner, making sure the portholes are in alignment. Now start the winged thumb screw into the tab. Just thread in loosely and do not tighten. Next, secure the firebox mounting bracket to the burner in this manner. Use the supplied washer and screw and tighten using a Phillips head screwdriver. Install the new burner by slipping the open end over the gas valve. The valves are located behind each knob on the inside of the grill box. Once the burner tube is at full extension and the portholes are aligned, set the thumb screw by tightening into place. Next, assemble the other end by drilling a hole where it meets the wall and secure into place with the provided washer and screw. Test the burner for function before installing the next one. Repeat this process on the next burner, extending it into place with the holes aligned and tightening the thumb screw to keep its position. Once secure, finish installing the rest of the burners. The grill is now ready for the heat shields. If you are able to salvage the old heat shields, remove the rust with a wire wheel and paint using high temperature barbecue paint. However, after further inspection, I decided that these shields were way too deteriorated to save. Therefore, I purchased new stainless steel heat shields from my local hardware store. These shields can expand to most desirable lengths. Once you find the custom length, crimp the track with a pair of pliers to keep it in a solid position. Install the shields in the following manner. Continue by installing the rest of the shields. Once the shields are in place, the grill is now ready for the cooking grate. The old cooking grate can be reconditioned or you can purchase a new one. In this case, since I know how to weld, I decided to build a new grate. The grill is now ready to use.